So good afternoon, ma'am. So today I'm going to explain the activity 14 LM35 temperature sensor. So first here is we are going to define the LM pin A0. Here is where the LM35 is attached to. Next is going to have to include wire H, include liquid crystal, the libraries, the liquid crystal I2C, the LCD, 0.00 x times 27, 16, and 2. Here is to set the LCD address to 0x27 for a 16 char and 12 line display. So here we're going to put the float temperature equals to 0 and the long LM value is 0. So we're going to put a setup. Inside here is going to put the LCD in it. Here is to initialize the LCD. And under it, we're going to put LCD backlight to open the backlight. So we're going to make the loop. Inside the loop, we're going to put a LM val analog read LM pin. Here is to read the value of the A0. And then we're going to put temp equals to LM val times 0.00488282125 times 100. So here, next under it is the LCD set cursor 5 and 0. Here is to place the cursor on the 5 column and 0 row. Under it is going to print the LM35 and it will be shown in that row. Next is we're going to LCD set cursor 0 and 1. Here is to place the cursor to 0 column and 1 row. Under it, we're going to put the temperature equals to print the temperature equals. And then next, we're going to put the LCD set cursor to 5 and 1 to place in the column 5 and the first row. I'm going to put the temp, which is the temperature, and then print char 223 to print the unit cursor. Next is to print the C to and then next is delay 200. Here is where it can create a delay by 200 ms. So now I'm going to show you the final presentation. So this is my output, ma'am. Here, if makuha niyang ma-detect ang temperature sa room, which is running, this is di rin ako sinutan sa dinner board and sa breadboard. Tapos here to connect ra ang kuan para sa temperature sensor.